Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your display name in the Zelle app so people see the correct name when they send you money. To get started, open the Zelle app on your smartphone and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, scroll toward the bottom of the screen and tap on Zelle Preferences. Next, select Manage Payment Profiles. This section controls how your information appears to others when using Zelle. From here, you can update your display name and make any other changes you need. After editing your name, save the changes. Once updated, anyone who sends you money through Zelle will see the new display name you've chosen. In this same area, you can also manage other account details, such as updating your email address, removing an expired debit card, or changing contact information linked to your Zelle account. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you change your name in the Zelle app, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.